In this video, we're going to show you the basics of selling on Poshmark, like how to list an item, message buyers, and send offers. Use the clickable sections below to skip to these parts. First, log into your account or sign up for free on Poshmark.com. From the top right, select Sell on Poshmark and you'll be taken to the listing page. We're going to list a pair of sneakers. First, upload photos of your product here. All your photos will need to be of a square 1:1 ratio. Next to title, type in a description of the product. Be sure to include keywords that your buyers are likely to search for to maximise the chances of them finding it. You can write a longer description and add more details here. From the drop-down, next to category, select the appropriate one and then choose a subcategory. This is where your product will be listed when someone is browsing Poshmark. Fill in the remaining fields to finish describing your product. Add the original price of the item here, or if you don't know it, put down an estimate. You can set your listing price here. You'll need to round this to the nearest dollar. Poshmark charges a $2.75 fee for selling items for $15 or less. It charges a 20% fee for everything over this price. Your earnings made after their charges will be shown here. Click Next to continue. You can share your listing on other social platforms here. Click on List this item to finish. If your item isn't selling, you can lower the price after it's been listed. Go to the top right corner of the screen and then hover over your profile picture. From the drop-down, click on My Closet to see your listings. Click on the item and its selling page will appear. Then go to Price Drop. A pop-up window will appear. Choose Edit Listing Price to change it. You can use the price drop calculator to reduce it by a certain percentage. To do this, click on Price Drop and then select the reduction you want. You'll see your new earnings from the price change indicated here. To confirm, click Submit. You can send offers to specific accounts that have liked your products. To send an offer, go to My Closet and open your listing. Underneath the listing, click on the users who have liked your product to find the account you want to send the offer to. Their profile will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow next to their profile name and then select Switch to Sell View. A list of all the items the account has liked will appear here. Click on the shopping bag icon under each item to add them to the offer. When you've finished, click Offer to proceed. Type in the amount you want to ask for here and then choose the shipping discount option you want. Your net earnings will be calculated and shown here. Click Submit to send the offer. You can send messages to accounts once you've sent them an offer. Open up their profile. If you're currently in buy mode, click on the drop-down arrow next to their name and choose Switch to Sell View. The offers you've sent them will be shown here. Underneath an offer, you can add a comment here. Type the @ sign and then their username to tag them. Type the message you want and then click Send. They'll receive a notification in their newsfeed straight away. Once your item's been sold, you'll receive a notification. From the top right, click on the news icon. On the news page, you'll see that a user has purchased your item. On their profile photo here, you'll see a small $sign to indicate that they've paid for your item. You'll also receive an email notification when you've sold a product on Poshmark. Attached to the email, you'll find the shipping label for your product.